Every day starts better with the new high horsepower 8 series. Open the hood effortlessly, something you wouldn't expect from a machine this powerful. A service sticker shows all lubrication points and their intervals right where you need it. All important fluid levels are visible via sight glasses, like transmission oil and coolant. Check your filters and cooling system, no ladders needed. Reinforced independent link suspension, no greasing needed. Thanks to over 2,000 remote data points and predictive diagnostics with expert alerts, any issue can be diagnosed in under an hour, so repairs can begin faster than ever. Less time in the shop, more time in the field. Designed with cleaning simplicity in mind, windows are within easy reach. Clean fast, see clearly. The 320-degree front wiper ensures perfect all-round visibility, no matter the weather or time of day. The new high horsepower 8 series. Nothing pulls harder.